one thing that we discussed, in prep for this is a balanced approach doesn't necessarily mean everything is even. So I'd love for you to just expand on kind of what a balanced approach looks like and even within balancing how that dynamic budget shift and media mix looks and evolves.
Yeah, absolutely. And I would also preface like it will never be an even split. It also market to market, industry to industry, it's all going to be very, very different. And that's what we would help as a partner to figure out what works best for you, because what works for one, not going to work for the next. So we also just want to understand what is your seasonality, your selling seasons, all of your different products and services that you offer, because that's also going to fluctuate. So we just want to ensure, we're talking about creating demand, capturing demand. So all of the different funnels and different parts of that balanced media mix are going to help with that, because we want to ensure that we're getting your brand and your business in front of these potential customers. So we want to get that brand awareness really well funded, so that when they are in that phase of research and they want to find that new company, that we are also top of mind. We've shown that they have that brand recognition within the market. So there's just so many different avenues and ways that we can start to balance that. And like I said, you might be heavy in awareness in Q1 and then lower in awareness Q4, but finding that balance that works best based off of your market and the way your seasonality of your industry and business works is the best way to kind of think of it moving forward.
And I think one of the points to that also is really understanding opportunity given the evolution of your market. Are there considerations of a secondary market, of a Hispanic, a multicultural market that may not be your primary target today? They could be secondary or tertiary, but are they somebody that we need to start considering in the future? This is all about future planning. This is all about, when do we need to start accounting for them? So it's not a surprise when we do need to add that consideration. Are there other languages we need to start thinking about? Are there communities we need to start thinking about and considering? So, and they might be over-serviced by one of your competitors and under-serviced by yourself. So that's something that we want to look at from an opportunity perspective as well as, are there communities, are there underserviced languages and cultures that we need to start accounting for as a part of not only our media mix, but our overarching strategy as a business?